So you almost have 1 month left for your JEE Main second attempt. The final chance for you to score very good percentile in JEE Main second attempt and get into a very good college of your choice. Now it is very important that you take the right steps and follow the right strategies in the last few days so that you can score your best potential marks in the final examination. Are you feeling scared, right? थोड़ा सा anxious feel हो रहा है ना अंदर से कि कैसे होगा? What percentile I am going to get in the second attempt? Will it be the same as that of first attempt और कहीं first attempt से भी कम ना आ जाए? थोड़ा फील तो हो रहा होगा अंदर से. सो इज 99 परसेंटाइल पॉसिबल? इसका जवाब तो तुम खुद दे सकते हो. यू नो योर सेल्फ बेटर देन एनी वन एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड, सो यू नो दैट वेयर डू यू स्टैंड. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट्स नॉट important that you score 99 percentile or not. It's important that you work hard with your full potential and you reach till your best potential score. That is very, very important. That should be your mindset to improve as much as possible and give your best in the last month. That will build a strong mindset and ultimately you will be able to do very well in the upcoming exams, if not JEE Main. So if you have scored more than 95 percentile in the first attempt, you already have a good potential, you have good grip in the command. You can keep working strategically, properly PYQ solve करते रहो, चीज़ों को revise करते रहो, fix the weak areas जहाँ पर भी weak हो, and you'll ultimately score very, very well in the second attempt. If you have scored more than 90 percentile, then still there is a lot of chance of improvement and you still need to work very, very hard, but still you can score a decent marks in JEE Main and still get into a good NIT. And if you are below 90 percentile, you need to assess yourself really, really well and take a decision for yourself that should you study for JEE Main or not, or you should completely focus on the other exams. Now, irrespective of तुम किसी भी category में fall करते हो, it's important that you work hard for the next 1 month and take a shot at JEE Main second attempt, because ultimately तुम यहाँ हो तो यहाँ पहुँचोगे अपने best potential में and तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होगा अंदर से. यू विल फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योर सेल्फ. यू विल शो योर सेल्फ दैट येस, इफ यू कैन वर्क हार्ड यू कैन डू वेरी, वेरी वेल, एंड इवेंचुअली इन द अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स लाइक BITSAT you will do very, very well and you can get top branches at other colleges. Now in the next few months there are few things that you need to keep in your mind, and if you do the same mistakes that you have done till now, the result is going to be the same or even worse, because the competition in the second attempt increases drastically. I'm going to tell you very basic points and I know a very few people are going to actually follow this, but वही है ना, the ones who will follow it will score very, very well in the second attempt. So the very first thing is, and the very big mistake that all the aspirants do is कि last 1 month में भी बैठ के बस one shot videos देख रहे हैं. Keep on watching one shot videos and the result is going to be the same, because you're not practicing questions by yourself. You're not learning anything by yourself. You're not learning the concept by yourself nor understanding anything. You're getting a fake dopamine by watching those videos, those big lectures, and feeling that okay, you are becoming confident. Mostly what students do is that they keep on watching those important questions ka video, most predicted questions ka video, and all of those things honestly never work. It's very, very important to not cover 100% of your syllabus. जितना भी करो उसको ढंग से करके जाओ and perform that in the actual exam. That will actually boost your score and that will eventually boost your confidence. For revision purpose कि कुछ भूल गया या ये वाला concept नहीं आता, okay, just go and revise that concept through a small video or a small one shot का portion. But please दिन भर बैठ के if you are watching one shot videos and not solving anything by your own, then you will not get any results. The next thing which I am going to tell you is the combination. What combination? A combination of two things, NCERT and PYQs. If you just do these two things properly, you will score really, really great in the final exam. This is the deadly combo for the last 1 month and you do not need to do anything else other than this. Read NCERT properly, especially of that of chemistry. In chemistry, you can boost your score by a lot of marks just by reading NCERT properly. That is the power of chemistry. That is the power of inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry. Even physical chemistry के भी काफी theoretical questions आते हैं. So chemistry is super, super important, and chemistry is one thing that can actually boost your score. लास्ट 1 मंथ में हो सकता है मैथ्स उतना ज़्यादा इंप्रूव ना हो, फिजिक्स के कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट उतना इंप्रूव ना हो, बट केमिस्ट्री इफ यू इन्वेस्ट टाइम प्रॉपरली देन विल डेफिनेटली 100% गारंटीड विल गिव यू रिजल्ट्स. इसके अलावा PYQs, अब इतने सारे PYQs है, विच PYQs टू सॉल्व? गेट अ सेट ऑफ जस्ट 30 क्वेश्चंस. You do not need to solve more than 30 questions per chapter. 30 questions are more than enough to build your concepts. If you just remember those unique 30 questions and keep solving them again and again and remember them till the end of your exam, believe me, that is going to be the game changer. Doing a lot of questions is not at all important, but doing a limited set of questions, कम चीज़ें करना इस point पे ज़्यादा important है, बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें करना important नहीं है. Limited set of questions again and again and remembering all of them till the end of your exam is more important and will give you much more output than solving hundreds of questions. Now it's the time you study 10 plus hours at least. There is no concession in it. You'll have to give more than 10 hours a day productively every single day if you want to achieve results. If you can't, frankly speaking, you won't get any results in upcoming JEE Main second attempt as well as in exams like BITSAT. The next thing which is going to help you massively is short notes. You know the power of short notes till now. How important is revision? Just completing the syllabus is not important. Just revising all of the things in a regular interval, for that short notes is really important. So you need to have the schedule of this remaining days on how you will keep on revising each and every chapter so that you don't forget it till the end of your exam. If you don't have your short notes, get it from your friend, get it from a good topper or your teachers, but definitely use short notes to revise your syllabus on a regular interval. This will completely change the trajectory of your preparation. The next thing is mocks. Just keep giving a lot of mock test, irrespective कि कितना भी syllabus हुआ है. Now तुमको समझ आ चुका होगा कि syllabus and knowledge is not important. It is just a part of preparation. The most important thing is your exam temperament and how you deal in the actual examination. देखा होगा कि कितने सारे concepts हमको आते थे, कितने सारे questions we could have actually solved in the first attempt, but we couldn't. Because of exam temperament, we didn't give much mock test and didn't develop that exam temperament. So that's why no matter कितना भी % syllabus complete हुआ हो, just give mock test. Don't run away from it because वही है, it's a mistake, and if you do the same mistake, the result is going to be the same or even worse this time. So don't ignore mock test. And this brings me to my next point, that is fixing your body clock. Not giving the mock test in the right time. हमारा slot तो सुबह का है, but we are giving the mock test at night, we are practicing them at night. So दिमाग की भी efficiency उस हिसाब से train होती है ना. Our brain is not active on the actual day of exam. So it's very important to solve the mock test in your actual slot of exam. You'll have to practice in the morning shift or in the evening shift during that time so that your brain is completely active and efficient during that time. And body clock just doesn't mean that कि भाई उस time पे active रहना है. Fix your schedule in the last month. Don't extend your study hours till late night. Sleep early, wake up early, eat healthy so that your body is 100% efficient. बहुत बेसिक चीज़ें जो मैंने बताई है, but the thing is, एडवांस चीज़ें करके कभी भी रिजल्ट नहीं आता. तुम किसी भी टॉपर को जाके पूछो कि वो क्या करता है, he will list down all of these basic points, not any hi-fi points, not any hi-fi books, but all these basic points, and that's what makes a difference. Doing ordinary things extraordinarily makes a difference. So few days are left, act like a warrior and give everything that you have to get your best score in the second attempt. And as I said, if you are not confident about your preparation and if you don't want to target JEE Main second attempt, rather you want to fix your complete focus toward BITSAT and start completely from scratch, then you can definitely check out the crash course by Fodu Club, in which highly experienced teachers teach you everything from scratch till the BITSAT level, and you solve all the materials, DPPs, chapter-wise tests, mock tests, to the BITSAT level. And I guarantee you one thing, if you start now and follow this crash course till the end, you will nail BITSAT and get your dream branch and dream campus of BITS Pilani. So if you're still confused about this crash course and want to know more about it, so you can click here and watch the complete video on the BITSAT crash course by Fodu Club. Wish you all the very best. साथ में फोड़ेंगे.